Let's now look at tf.argmax. This function returns the index with the largest value. We'll create a tensor x is equal to tf.constant that has value 1, 2, and 3. And if we try to find x max, the index for the largest value in x, and we'll store it in x max, we will type tf.math.argmax x. And now if we print xmax xmax.numpy, we should see that the index is 2, and the reason, let's change the values of this to 10, 20, and 30, and we'll see that the largest value is 30 and it is located at index number 2. But this is 0, index 1, and index 2 we have 30, and that's the index we get in the output. uh, let's copy this and create another tensor, and in this tensor we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the first row has values 1, 2, and 77. Second row has values 99, 3, and 4. Now if we take a look at the tensor itself, if this needs another set of square brackets. If we print x, if we print x, and we should see the way the x is set up. This is the x we have. We can always get it in the array form to see this is the array x we have. Now if we want to find the maximum values by axes, so we can specify that too, and we can say axis is equal to 0. And now when we look at the output, what we get are 3 indices. In the first column, the maximum value is 99, that is located at row index 1. This is the row at index 0. This is the row at index 1. So we get a value of 1 right here. In the second column, the maximum value is 3, again located in the row at index 1. So we get a value of 1. Likewise, in the third column, in this case, the maximum value is 77, which is located in the row at index 0, and therefore we have 0 here in the output. So this is how the how we get the largest index for the largest value from a particular array. Let's look at yet another example. I'm going to copy this tensor, paste it here, and now we are going to shuffle or change the values a little bit. I'm going to use the 99, 2, and 77 in the first row, and in the second row we have 99, 3, and 4. Now if we perform the same set of operation, just copy that and run this. We can always print x, so why not do that? Print x and then print an empty line and run this again with the same axis. This time what we see is here we have a tie. 99 appears in both the rows, and so in the column, in the first column, and so the index of the smallest possible index is in the output. So of these two 99s, we have the index 0, which is for the first row. In the second column, the maximum value is 3, which is at row index 1, so we get a 1. Again 77, we get the same value as is. So if there is a tie between the maximum values, remember that in the return, the index that we get is the smallest index. That was it for this video. I hope in this video you got intuition of how to use tf.math.argmax. In the next video, we'll look at how to get tf.math.argmin. Thank you.